Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Circle. Today I am going to teach you all the active and passive of spatial cases, and I can say with guarantee that you have not studied these kind of active passive in your life. It can help you whether you are a class 12 student, whether you are in 10th, whether you are in class 6 to 8, whether you are preparing for any competitive exams, you can learn this. Okay, so spatial cases of active and passive. So I will begin this topic with the two objects. Two objects. Whenever we see two objects in the sentence, how we make the active to passive of that. So let's learn that. Let's take an example. If I say here, Ram gave me a pen, you can see that subject is here Ram, and there are two objects. Me is also an object and pen is also an object. How to make the passive of this? You can make passive of this by using one object, and again a new passive can be made with another object. So first I will make the passive with the help of me. So according to me it will become what? I. So I was given a pen by Ram. I was given a pen by Ram. If you take me as an object, so me will become subject, and then this will be the passive voice. If you take pen as an object, then it will be like this: a pen was given to me by Ram, or you can write in any way. Okay, given by Ram. So if there are two objects in your sentence, then you can take any one to make the passive. Both are correct. It is up to you. You can make it. And in examination, if it comes, you can write both by giving here or. Okay. So this is how we do the active passive of two objects. One is verbs of opinion, like considered, think, believe. How to make the passive related to this? If a sentence I am taking here, like he considered me as he considered me a tourist. Simple. He considered me a tourist. Okay. So how we make it? What is the object here? Me. Okay. So we will take it and we will write here. I was considered to be. I was considered to be a tourist. And who considered me that? By him. He considered me. So I was considered to be a tourist by him. So whenever considered comes, think comes, or believe comes, these are verbs of opinion. We make it like considered to be, think to be, believe to be. Okay, so next sentence I am taking here, think. Like she thinks me a spy. She thinks me a spy. So what we will do? I am thought to be a spy, and who thought that? She. So it will be her. So I am thought to be a spy by her. I hope you all are understanding it. Verbs of opinion. Considered, that will be converted into passive as considered to be. Think, it will be thought to be. It will be believed to be. Moving on to the next topic. The word is made. How to make the passive where the made word comes in the active sentence. If it is written here, I made him complete the work. What is the meaning of this sentence? The meaning of this sentence in Hindi that मैंने उससे काम पूरा कराया. I made him complete the work. How to make passive of that? So him is object, it will become subject. He was made to complete the work. I made him, he was made. To do what? To complete the work. So this is how we make passive with the help of made. One more example I will take. Him sing. Mohit made him sing a song. Okay, Mohit made him sing a song. So it will be he was made to sing a song. He was made to sing a song by Mohit. I hope you all are understanding this. Moving on to the next topic. In the next topic, I am going to teach you how to make the passive of imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. Okay. Imperative sentences are known as, in Hindi we call it Agya Suchak Vakya. So how to make the passive of that? What kind of imperative sentences we can have? Like open the door, close the door, remove the curtain, bring a glass of water, don't open, don't shout. These kind of sentences are called imperative sentences. So okay, let's take a simple example like open the door. I took open the door. So while making the passive, remember that normally in imperative sentences the subject is you, which is hidden here. Open the door, you open the door. It's not written but it is hidden there. You open the door, you bring a glass of water. Whenever we call someone, whenever we give some order or request, the subject you is hidden there. So open the door means you open the door. Okay, so open the door, so we will write here let, then the object is the door, let the door be opened. Let the door be opened. Take any other example. Don't bring water. If I say here don't bring water, so let the water not be brought. Let the water not be brought. Okay. If you are having please, if you are making a passive of using please, how to make? Like please open the door. You are requesting here. You are pleasing. So you are pleading here. So what we will do? For in the place of please, we put a new sentence. You are requested. You are requested. And rest of the thing we will put here as it is. You are requested to open the door. Okay, you are requested to open the door. Teach you all how to make the passive of some sentences which contains modals like should, okay, must, have to, okay, like may, might, these kind of. So let's take some examples and let's do that. Everywhere we have to use be, like you should complete your work. You should complete your work. So your work will be first. Your work, then should be. Your work should be completed and by you. Your work should be completed by you. If I write here may, your work, you may complete your work. Your work may be completed by you. Only what you need to do. Wherever, if it is should, what you have to add in the passive? Plus be. If it is may be. If it is must be. Okay, if it is have to, let's take the example of have to and have to. How to make? I have to money. I have to give him money. So passive will be what? According to him. So he has to be given. He has to be given money. He has to be given money by me. So these are some special cases of passive which I am teaching you and which I am going to teach you. It is time to. It is time to. If a sentence starts with it is time to, how to convert into passive? Let's take an example. If I am saying here it is time to take the food. If I say that it is time to take the food, so how we make passive for this? It is time for, then object comes, for the food. And what the food? For the food to be taken. It is time for the food to be taken. This kind of passive you may not have studied ever. Okay, so these are something new for you. So I request you all to share this video, increase your knowledge and subscribe my channel too. Moving on, one more example. It is time to declare the inning. If I take this example, it is time to declare the inning. So again what we will do? It is time for, then object, inning. It is time for the inning to be declared. It is time for the inning to be declared. So this is the passive of it is time to, a sentence which is beginning with it is time to. If I take here his behavior annoyed me. His behavior annoyed me. So how will you make the passive of this? So it will be like this. I was annoyed, not by his behavior. Here it will be I was annoyed at his behavior. This is exception. These are some exception I am writing here. Exception. Okay, these are beyond the rules. These are breaking the rules. So in the place of by we have to use what? Add. His behavior annoyed me, and then passive will become what? This is what? Active. And the passive will be what? I was annoyed at his behavior. Is the next exception is use of with instead of by. If the sentence is his work impressed us, so how we will make? We will not write that we were impressed by his work. It should be we were impressed with his work. Okay, you can take another example. I'm going to take another example and I will show you. Like Mohan pleased us. Mohan pleased us. So how we will make? We were pleased with. We were pleased with Mohan. So you need to take care. In some cases, in the place of by, we use with. The last one I am going to take, and in the place of with, like we will use in the place of by, we will use in. Let's take the example. This topic might interest the students. Might interest the students. So how to make the passive of this? We will not use by here. We will not use by here. So it will be the students might, then after might we will write be, and because here the verb is interest, it will be might be interested. It will be might be interested in this topic. Yes, students, this will be the passive of this sentence. Don't use by here. By can't be a proper word. So this topic might interest the students. The passive will be the students might be interested in this topic. So with this, I come to an end of this video. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.